Hello and welcome to MahindraGuru.com, the Brahmas for Success, and today's tips and tricks are concerning UIIC, United India Insurance Company, and we will discuss about the introduction about, or we would try to tell you about the basic information about UIIC. Without further ado, let's see the first slide. Now, the headquarters of this particular institution is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The establishment was on 18 February 1938. Now, these are the two important parts of the first slide of introduction. Number one, the headquarters are in Chennai and it was established on 18 February 1938. In terms of the tagline is at United India, it's always you before. The nationalization took place in 1972, thereby it came under the aegis of the government. Now, if we discuss about the about of this particular company on its website, now it is a leading general insurance company with more than 30 years of experience post nationalization in non-life insurance business. Present shape was formed by the merger of 22 companies consequent to nationalization of general insurance. In terms of merger, 12 Indian insurance companies, 4 cooperative insurance societies, and Indian operations of 5 foreign insurers, besides general insurance operations of southern region of the Life Insurance Corporation of India, were merged with UIIC. So by no means UIIC is a small institution. It is one of the leading insurance company in India. In terms of the mergers, 12 Indian insurance companies, 4 cooperative, and around 5 parts of the foreign insurance companies in India, and also the general insurance part of the LIC of the southern region was merged in the UIIC. If we talk about the employee and the coverage, as per the website, 18,300 workforce spread across 1,340 offices across the country to cover more than 1 crore policy holders. If we discuss about the present head of this institution, it is Shri Milind A. Kharat. He is the chairman and managing director of UIIC. And then the corporate mission. Number one, to provide insurance protection to all. Number two, to ensure consumer satisfaction. Number three, to function on sound business. And number four, to help minimize national waste and to help develop the Indian economy. So in this first slide, we have 3 important questions that would come. Number one, where are the headquarters? The headquarters are in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Number two, when was it established? It was established on 18 February 1938. The tagline, at United India, it's always you before. The important part also is the present head. It is Shri Milind A. Kharat, who is the chairman and MD of this institution. Let's move to the next slide. In terms of the benchmarks for servicing, motor, individual health, personal accident, and other personal lines of insurance within 3 days of remission. That is the benchmark. They would provide the indemnity in 3 days of submission of the report. In terms of decision acceptance, the acceptance or the provision of the insurance in terms of fire, marine, engineering, and other commercial lines of insurance should be done within 7 days. So generally, 3 days is for the health per accident, and 7 days is the normal nomenclature of this particular institution. Now, these particular slides would be discussed in detail in our text format, which we would publish today itself. So let's proceed to the next slide and see what we have the other highlights in the institution. In terms of the ICRA rating, that is the rating of its products, it is at a high IAAA for the highest claim paying ability. In terms of the other ratings, at AM Best, it is at B++. That is a positive sign. The other important part is the awards and accolades. Now, these awards, as per the different awards, it was given the All-Round Performer of the Year award from the last journal recently. Also, it was conferred with E-Business Leader, Bank Assurance Leader, and Best Non-Urban Coverage Awards by Indian Insurance Awards in 2014. And also, it was runner-up in terms of Best Health Insurance Provider by Outlook Money Awards in 2014. These were the awards and also the basic information. And the last, the different products offered by UIIC: motor insurance, health insurance, travel insurance, householders insurance, shopkeepers insurance, liability insurance, micro insurance, credit, miscellaneous, fire, marine, and industrial insurance. So these are the products offered by the UIIC. Now, our intention to provide you this particular this particular information was to give you a basic idea about the institution that you're about to give an examination for. That is the UIIC examination for the journalist and the special officers. In the end, these were the different slides which we would give you in the text format today itself, so that you can already go through the basic details, and also will provide you tomorrow and on 7th the other highlights, also and also other features of insurance business and other current events that could come in the UIIC. With this intention, we come to an end to our discussion on the UIIC introduction. Hope you like the video. Comment in our comment section given below, so that we could change or improve our information in terms of the videos. That is, keep on watching mahindraguru.com and keep on liking our channel on the youtube.com on the link www.youtube.com/c/Mahindra Guru videos. Have a great day. Your success is our success. Thank you so much.